first thing I've got to do is get the eye backwards to match this one. So I've just cut in with the chainsaw just to pull that back to start the whole process. But most of the time I've been working on the ear. Come and have a look at the ear. Come and have a look here. I reckon that's coming up not too bad. As far as an ear goes, looks like an ear, about the right shape. Looks good on his head. Ear, yeah, that's good. So yeah, he's coming along now. He's starting to look like a person. Ooh, the other eye's going to look good. Yeah, very happy. Oh, we're on the eye. The eye, tricky in perspective. But we're getting there, and that's the main thing. So yeah, we're going good. Keep saying that all the time because we are. There we go, and have a look. We're getting there. Bit more curvature, bit more eyebrow bits, bit of nose rounding. Yeah, definitely getting there. Slow process and no hurry, I reckon. Just go with the flow. Yeah. Wow, here we go. Eyes are happening. I've made the eyelids here more vertical, which gives the impression of your eyes like this. So opening that up just there. Started on the chin. Just been chainsawing out all that bit in here, but we'll have to work on that. Pull the chin back and sort of bring it out a bit. Head here, got to pull that down and bring that in a bit. But he's getting a bit closer now, so I'm really starting to get the proportions pretty good. Nose, that's still flat, so we need to sort of pull that back to give like a forehead, because he doesn't have one at the minute, and our own heads, you know, go in and then out towards the nose, whereas this is just flat. So I've got to pull that bit as well to get my proportions for the eyes even better. But all in all, we're going pretty good. Not exactly sure what I'm going to do down here with the neck, whether there is a neck or not, I don't know. Not even sure, to be honest, about the eyeball, what to do with his eyes. Like, I don't know, do you put some paint where the irises are? No? Don't know. It's got to be able to look though. But we're getting there, we're getting there. Let's do some work on the nose. Let's do some work on here. And let's do some work on the chin. And it's just going to be chainsaw and chisel. That's all we're going to use. You don't need to see that. And I'll show you what it looks like after a bit. Cool. Whoa, getting there. I've done the forehead grins. Like, chainsaw time, done a big few hacks. Hacked up here, hacked there, got his head rounder. Also put in some texture to his head, pulled the nose back, dropped it down here. Now working on the chin, cut all that out. What do you reckon? I think the chin's too long. I think maybe about there would be about the right proportion. Just looks almost like it's a goatee, even though proportionally it seems to be the right size. But yeah, I think I'm going to cut that. Yeah, I will. All right, time to carry on. Now the question is his eyes. Like, whilst I'm really happy with them, his eyes are going up like this. You know, like that. So he's like this, which I really like. But I want his eyes to come down, so how do you do that? Initially I was thinking it was his eyelids. Just here, that if I brought the eyelid down, that would straighten the eyes. However, now I'm thinking, as I look at his eye here, and it pulls back stronger, I haven't got it at the bottom here. That's flatter. So, which gives you the impression of looking up. So if I cut in there a bit and make the eye, the actual ball of the eye, rounder and smaller, it should come down and look like it's looking at me rather than looking up. That's what I'm going to do first. I'll cut that in to try and get it, and we'll have a look, and then we'll see if we need to do anything with the eyelid to bring him down. One step at a time, gently, gently the way forward. And as always, going with the flow. So let's get back into the flow. Still got to go and do his neck, and still got to do his chin. His chin is just the rough shape at the moment, but all in all, he's starting to look good. I don't know if you can tell yet, but from a distance, he's expressing well. I can't think of a better word, but that's happening, and I love that. That's the art coming out. The feeling that I don't know what I'm creating, that as it's coming, I can see it and bring it out more, and that's the beauty of art, arising from within you and coming out, and anyone can do it. Just have confidence in yourself, just to start and to do it, and as you're doing it, you'll see and you'll learn, and you'll get better. I've never done this before, and it's looking good. Sure, I can use a hammer and a chisel and a chainsaw and basic tools, but as far as carving a head, you can do it. Just like this. Get a bit of confidence and go to it. You'll enjoy it. I've thoroughly enjoyed probably an hour and a half every day chipping away. It's all really good, and time to carry on now. So thank you for watching the series. It's going good.